In this world, everyone wants joy, ecstasy, and happiness. Nobody ever wants to be unhappy. In order to seek pleasure, we go to parties and all to feel joyous and forget the stress that we have. But we don't know that these are only short term and temporary pleasures. If we change the pattern of our thoughts and karmas, then paradise can be felt right here, right in this moment. So usually what do we think that we'll go to heaven after we die? But no, we are wrong. Heaven, the seventh heaven can be felt right now in this life only. परमानंद या पैराडाइज की अनुभूति मरने से पहले इस ही जीवन में की जा सकती है. You know how? Just by starting off with little sadhana practices. That's it. It really doesn't matter which spiritual organization or institution we belong to or we are connected with. We are already in touch and are performing these 5 spiritual practices consciously or unconsciously. These are the 5 amazing magical tools which can take us to the dimension beyond and connect us to the 5 elements as well. These are Shri Arti. The first and foremost is Arti, which means lighting a lamp that connects us to the fire element. And it activates the fire element within us. The second tool is Seva, also known as selfless service or volunteering. It connects us with the earth element. Next comes Satsang or spiritual discourse, which connects us to the water element that teaches us, like the running water, we should always let things go and focus on our inner growth by not being stagnant. Then comes Simran, which is also known as meditation. It connects us with the sky element and takes us to the cosmic world within us. And last but not the least is Dhyan, which means consciousness or awareness, and helps us connect to the air element. That is, by focusing on the air we are breathing every moment, Dhyan helps us to connect to the air element and activates the air element within us. Therefore, it said, Shri Arti Puja, Seva, Satsang, Sumran और ध्यान, श्रद्धा सहित जो नित्य करे, निश्चय हो कल्याण. Consciously or unconsciously, we are already performing these 5 spiritual practices, no matter to which spiritual institution or organization we belong to. But the question is, are we performing these with love, 100% dedication and devotion? Or are we just doing a formality? The higher says, Shraddha Sahit Jo Nit Kare Nishchay Ho Kalyan. He specifically mentions Shraddha Sahit. This is the condition that is being put by the higher, that Shraddha Sahit. Shraddha means dedication, devotion and love. So if we perform these practices with love, a little consciousness, a little devotion in that, then the paradise is not so far away. Suppose we are eating a gulab jamun with no sugar in it. Would it taste good? No. Same goes for a pizza. Having a pizza without salt would be completely tasteless. We won't be able to enjoy that because the core element is absent. Just like that, if we are performing our spiritual practices with no love and feelings, which is actually the core element, then it would be tasteless for the higher. Simple as anything. These 5 tools also kill the 5 impurities or 5 vikar. There are lust, greed, anger, ego, and attachment, which is the basis of all sorrows that we are having right now. So, let's walk together towards Dhurdham, our real home, the true paradise, and the heaven beyond, where our Divine Father, the higher God, the Almighty Shri Paramhans Dayalji is waiting for us. Love, love, and blessings to all from the higher.